Hi everyone, Jana is here, and today is going to be a quick report on earnings from YieldNodes. Okay, so let's just see how much was made in October month. And right now you can see this is the member area, and I have already for today the balance is $20,522. So euros actually, yeah. So we know the euro went up a bit, so that's like quite cool. And the monthly return was, look at this is October, 13.17%. So that's really good. It was like a very good month. Well, we know that Bitcoin also went up, so hopefully it will continue. Went up is what they're predicting. And well, November, December would be really nice to have the same percentage. Well, I'm not expecting the same, but I'm having a hope. So fingers crossed. So you see, for me, guys, this month is 2,370 euros. Okay, euros, not even dollars. So yeah, that's quite impressive, I would have to say. I really hope it will continue that way. And I'm not withdraw anything at this moment. I have my target, so hopefully I'm going to reach that. And so after it will be reached, then I will probably withdraw. So some part of it, maybe not all of it, but some parts I would think we will try to withdraw. So, but this moment I'm going to keep it going. Every time I'm making, every month I'm putting it back. So I'm not taking out, and I'm just wanted to get bigger, to get better return. Okay, so more profit a month. So yeah, well, that's it, guys. Just was a quick to show you what is going on. If you are interested to find out what it is, YieldNodes, we had an interview with CEO and in one of my videos, so you can watch the video. And also, guys, on the side, it's there is a minimum there, I think like 500 euros. But if you go through my link, you can only start to try it with 50 euros. Okay, so we have a special deal with YieldNodes for only for my subscribers and viewers. So through the link, you can start with a very little amount. So well, that's it for now, guys. I hope you like this little video. Thanks for watching. Of course, don't forget to subscribe, like, and more videos are coming. So I see you in my next video. Bye.